the world is Zart and Buddy doing here? They're just hanging out. Oh wait, what's this? Look, he has the 8-ball. Okay, let's ask it a question. Is Zart gonna be a nice elf? It says no. Are you sure he's not gonna be a nice elf? No again. 8-ball. Is Zart gonna be a nice elf? Give it one more try. Maybe. Oh boy. Well, you two can go ahead and play, and I'm gonna come back in a little bit, and hopefully my elves on the shelf are gonna do something else that's silly. Look at all this magical glitter. There's so much of it, and it's so sparkly. Wow. Look at it all. My hands turn blue. Oh. Zart? Buddy? Zart? What did you do? You broke the 8-ball? What? Is this glitters what's inside? Oh, there's so much of it. This is all that's left of Buddy's 8-ball? Oh, look. This must be the thing that answers the question to everything. Not likely. For sure. No. Most likely. For sure. Maybe. Out. Look good. Well, buddy, here you go. You can at least play with this now. Zart, why did you do this? It is really pretty though, but I had no idea all this beautiful glitter was inside the 8-ball. Wow. Buddy, do you like it? Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love my elves on the shelf. I think I need to play with this glitter just a little bit more. Wow. Comment down below if you think this stuff is magical. I don't think it is, but I was just hoping maybe.